Everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and today I will show you the new model Kimi version 2 that is a Chinese model, open source, the best open source model out there, outperforming when 3, DeepSeek R1, the 0528, all of them. And in competition, very close to Claude 4 and O3, which means that today we have an open source model from China again, the new DeepSeek moment from China, that is totally free and can be used by anyone and open source. So let's have a look just to have an understanding of this comparison. Here we have the SWE benchmark which compare Kimi K2, sorry, with the other DeepSeek V3, which is the latest DeepSeek, Qwen 3, OpenAI GPT-4 1, and Claude 4 Opus. As you can see, Kimi 2 is just nearly as good as the other one. And what it is very interesting in this model that is that it is very good in agentic tasks. So it can be used with the cursor, can be used by any other tool, AI coding tool, and performing as good as the others. But you can use it both as much as you wish. As you can see, the open source market is getting heated up a lot, and I don't, as many people were forecasting that in 2025 open source will be even more important and big than closed source. That could be the case. We're very close to this kind of discussion. Let's have a look quickly to the other benchmark. So the multilingual, also there we are competing with others, like Codebench. Apparently, it is even better than Claude for Opus, scoring 53.7 in the agentic and competitive coding tasks. We can see that here where OJ-bench, I'm not really sure what it is, but it is outperforming the others. Let me know in the comment if you know. Uh, we see that everywhere we are very close to the top, where the only better model is Claude 4. Here as well, here we're even better than all the others, the AIME 2025, and the GPQA, we are basically the best. Just second, and the second is just Claude 4, which is amazing. Um, this is a 1 trillion model, so it's quite big, and it has 32 billion parameters, and here are some more other characteristics. Context length is 128K, which is anyway reasonable, but good enough. We have a bit of scores. Well, we don't want to really go in depth. I think in the general graph give us a general understanding. Instead, I want to go to the website kimi.com, and if you log in, you can view here that between the model there is the K2, which is the best model out there. What capability has this model? The search, the extended thinking that is not yet is not a reasoning model at the moment. At the moment, because it seems like it's planned to be in the future. So, you can upload file, you can add common phrases, prompts that you can use, and seems like that's it. You can use the search mode, but you have only 5 sessions remaining. I'm not sure if you can actually code with it, even though you can use it in the coding agent tools. But let's have a look. Let's build a to-do list app that can be seen and run. Well, I'm not sure. It's not the best prompt. It's not at all. Uh, but I want to see if it's possible to actually view the application if it is the coding mode. I don't think so, if it's as I remember. But obviously, you can go to Code Sandbox, copy the HTML, CSS, whatever, the code, and you can run it there to check the results. For what I remember, it was not possible. So I'm gonna just confirm that. By the way, this model is very, very good and intelligent. So consider to use it instead of paying a membership in ChatGPT. Look ahead though, because we have already really just released recently Grok 4 by Elon Musk, and very soon also Gemini 3 and ChatGPT 5. So things is gonna heat up very soon. One thing you can notice here is that the model is a bit slow at giving the results, and yeah, it's not that it's pros. But I will see if there is the preview possibility. I saw a tutorial where it was possible to view the preview, so that gave me some positivity in that sense. Let me know if I'm missing something in the comment. By the way, this Kimi is a very important news. You can use this model through LM Studio and local, um, especially if you find a smaller version of it. You can actually use with a GPU. With a good GPU, you can use it locally. Anyway, let me know in the comment what do you think about it. Um, Consider to like, subscribe. This is the open source model. It's not something that you will hear very often to other channels, but this is one of the best model out there. Um, don't I deserve a like? Uh, this is basically the second DeepSeek moment, and well, it's gonna take a while to complete. Okay, actually did complete. And I was wrong in a good sense. You can preview, you can see how it is looking the app. And it's even better than ChatGPT, probably, in a sense that, well, not better, but you can click preview and you can look always the code without having to necessarily see the code view. Just you can choose manually if to do so or not. Okay, hope that this was useful. See you in the next one.